almost 30 years back, a visionary, a philanthropist, and a lover of humanity named Mr. B.S. Abdur Rahman thought of raising the level of downtrodden and the underprivileged sections of society in the weaker community in the land, and he has started a school under the banner of Crescent School. By the mercy of Allah Almighty, in due course of time, this noble work paid, and a college for technical education with the name Crescent College of Engineering was established under the same group of education. It served the humanity for a long time period, and the students from various caste, creed, and community got benefited, and many of them today are well placed at various positions in the world. When the Crescent School was started, nobody had thought that it is going to turn into an academic empire, a temple of education. But the dedication and highly spirited effort of management and other involved people paid, and in the year 2009, this college was approved as deemed university under the banner of B.S. Abdur Rahman University. Today, this university is one of the top most ranked universities in the country with highly motivated and dedicated faculties in various fields of engineering. B.S. Abdur Rahman University is one of the fastest growing university under the skilled patronage and guidance of its Chief Chancellor Dr. B.S. Abdur Rahman and Vice Chancellor Dr. A.J.K. Tareen. Dr. Tareen himself is a visionary man and a Padma Shri awardee for his excellent services as VC in Pondicherry University and Jammu Kashmir University. Despite all the successes, there has always been a void at the most lustrous and the challenging department in the university was missing. This void was filled in the year 2010, and Department of Aerospace Engineering was established in the university. Since then, this department has been continually engaged in producing highly motivated and skilled aeronautical engineers. First batch of this department is about to go, and already some of them have been offered job in various companies in IT as well as in core companies, while many of them have chosen to study further and have already got the invitation for admission in the various universities in USA and other countries. This department comprises total 12 faculties, which is headed by Dr. E. Raja Kuperan. Dr. E. Raja Kuperan received his undergraduate degree in aeronautical engineering from MIT, Chennai, and then he completed his masters in space engines and rocketry from BIT Ranchi. His rich experience is backed up by a long research career in ISRO, where he was actively involved in the design and development of launch vehicles like ASLV, PSLV, and GSLV. He has also contributed substantially in the development of advanced vehicle concepts like air-breathing rocket and ISRO's wind tunnel laboratory. He was also a PDF of the Florida State University during 1997 and 98. He has carried out research in aerodynamics and aeroacoustics of STOL aircraft during the vertical landing phase of flight. He has also academically researched the axis switching characteristic of underexpanded jet issuing from the elliptic nozzle configurations employed as mixing devices. Mr. R. Arunachalam is the senior most faculty in our department, and he is a retired scientist from ISRO Bangalore after a vast 32 years of his services in satellite technology. He has rich experience in the space structure fabrication, assembly, and testing. He is a specialist in composite structure and environmental test of spacecraft subsystems, and apart from his industrial experience, he is also backed by 5 years of teaching experience in the field of aeronautical engineering. He is our visiting faculty in the Department of Aerospace Engineering. Mr. Shaukat Ali is MTech from IIT Delhi, and he has done his mechanical engineering from Madras University. He is a retired Indian Air Force man and holds rich experience in military aviation. He has hands-on experience in working on the live aircraft, and he has been in maintenance and overhaul of fighter aircraft during his Indian Air Force tenure. He has also received various awards during his meritorious services in Indian Air Force. He is our member of various professional societies and technical institutions. Professor P. Vasant Kumar is expert in the area of computational research and analysis of unsteady aerodynamics and aeroelasticity of turbomachinery flows. He has more than a decade experience in computational fluid dynamics and numerical analysis. In the Department of Aerospace Engineering, he handles the courses like CFD, numerical analysis, and fluid mechanics, as well as aerodynamics. Mr. Muhammad Fazlur Rahman is basically an aeronautical engineer specialized in the area of aerodynamics and propulsion. He delivers lectures on the subjects of aerodynamics, aircraft propulsion, rocket and missile propulsion, engineering mechanics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and hypersonics. His deep interest lies in the area of rocket combustion and space dynamics, as well as heat transfer related topics. Academically, he has done a marvelous performance in his BTech. He stood first in the AME AESI exams in the year 2000 and awarded Venkat Raman Prize for this. He also secured an All India rank 2 in the GATE 99 exams. He has blended experience of working 7 years in industry and 5 years in academics. He also has experience in teaching in college abroad. Apart from these faculties, we have 8 more faculties, and all of them hold master's degrees. Our department is striving to achieve a condition of all doctorate faculty status very soon, and 5 of us have already joined the doctoral program.